Hey y'all, it's Tyler here with TriState Water Works. This is Sean, the owner. Sean,
Hey, what's up, brother?
why don't we do a competition where we name all of the irrigation system brands, see who's gonna win. Name
Wow, do you think you can remember all the brands we work on?
them. I got them.
We work on so many different brands. It's amazing. Well, you want to start? You wanna give me one?
RainBird.
RainBird, that's a good one. Toro.
Weathermatic.
Oh, Weathermatic, forgot about them. Hunter.
Ratio.
Ratio, I like that one. That's all right. That's a good controller. You know, RainBird just bought them. So did you name RainBird twice that way? I don't know. Anyway, how about Orbit?
K-Rain.
K-Rain. Oh, forgot about K-Rain. Boy, now it's getting a little bit harder. Are we just talking sprinkler heads or are we talking about all parts?
All parts.
Okay, that's cool. That makes it a little bit easier. How about Buckner quick couplers?
Apollo.
Oh, Apollo. Yeah, old Apollo backflows. That's a good one. I know another one, Nelson. I don't even know if they're still in business, but there's still their product out there.
I haven't seen them.
Haven't seen the Nelson controller? Oh, you'll love it. It's hard to work on.
I don't have another one.
Yeah, I'm kind of running out too. But I think the point is we work on about anything that's out there in the ground. If it sprinkles water on your yard, I guess we can come out and fix it, can't we?
We can.
Yeah, so who you gonna call? TriState
TriState.
Water Works.